From the runways of Paris to the arms of fashion enthusiasts worldwide, Yves Saint Laurent, or YSL, has solidified its place as a powerhouse in the luxury fashion industry. Known for their sleek designs and timeless appeal, Yves Saint Laurent bags are more than just accessories, they're status symbols. But what goes into creating these coveted masterpieces? Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at how Yves Saint Laurent bags are made, from concept to completion. We'll also dive into some very unique fun facts about Yves Saint Laurent that you never knew, so be sure to watch until the end. The story of Yves Saint Laurent began in 1961, when Yves Saint Laurent and his partner Pierre Bergé launched the brand that would redefine modern fashion. Known for revolutionary designs like the tuxedo jacket for women, Yves Saint Laurent quickly became a symbol of bold innovation and elegance. In the realm of handbags, Yves Saint Laurent's designs have set trends for decades. From the timeless sac de jour to the edgy Lulu, each bag combines artistry with functionality. The Yves Saint Laurent logo, originally designed by Adolphe Morand-Cassandre in 1963, has become a hallmark of luxury worldwide. Yves Saint Laurent bags, like the iconic sac de jour, Lulu, and Sunset, embody the brand's commitment to elegance, innovation, and quality craftsmanship. Every Yves Saint Laurent bag begins with inspiration. Designers draw from art, architecture, and the brand's rich heritage to create timeless yet contemporary pieces. Sketches are meticulously crafted, followed by the selection of materials, hardware, and finishes that will bring the vision to life. Advanced software is used to create 3D models, refining every detail from the stitching to the placement of the iconic Yves Saint Laurent logo. Prototypes are made using mock materials to test the design's functionality and aesthetics. Here's a fun fact you may not have known. The Yves Saint Laurent Lulu bag is named after Lulu de la Falaise, Yves Saint Laurent's longtime muse and collaborator. Stick around for more fun facts sprinkled throughout this video. Now we move on to the material section. The foundation of every Yves Saint Laurent bag lies in its materials. Yves Saint Laurent handbags are crafted from the world's finest materials, including premium leathers, exotic skins, and signature fabrics. The quality of these materials is central to the brand's reputation for luxury. Yves Saint Laurent sources the finest leathers, from smooth calf skin to exotic options like crocodile and python. Each hide is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the brand's rigorous standards. Only flawless materials are chosen, ensuring the bags are both durable and luxurious. Leathers are sourced from top tanneries in Italy and France, known for their ethical practices and exceptional craftsmanship. Each hide is inspected for imperfections, with only the softest and most durable pieces selected. Exotic skins, such as crocodile and python, undergo additional quality checks to ensure they meet Yves Saint Laurent's rigorous standards. Once the leather is selected, artisans begin the intricate process of cutting. Using precision tools and templates, they carefully cut each piece by hand to maintain consistency and quality. This step requires a deep understanding of the leather's grain and structure, ensuring every panel aligns perfectly. Every panel, strap, and pocket is shaped to exact specifications, ensuring a flawless assembly process. Additional reinforcements are added to high-stress areas for durability. Think of it like preparing ingredients for a gourmet meal. Precision at this stage ensures perfection in the final product. Assembly is where the bag starts to take shape. Skilled artisans use a combination of machine stitching and traditional hand stitching techniques to join the leather pieces. Panels are stitched together using waxed thread for extra strength. Decorative stitching, such as the iconic chevron pattern, is meticulously aligned for a polished finish. Artisans hand-stitch certain details like the attachment of the Yves Saint Laurent logo, ensuring a flawless appearance. Here's a fun fact. The chevron quilting pattern is not only a design choice, but also a nod to Yves Saint Laurent's haute couture heritage. The edges of the leather are carefully painted and polished to create a seamless finish. Meanwhile, the bag's hardware, crafted from high-quality metals and often plated in gold or palladium, is attached. Whether it's a chain strap, buckle, or clasp, each piece is designed to enhance the bag's elegance and functionality. Before an Yves Saint Laurent bag can reach a boutique, it must pass a rigorous quality control process. Inspectors examine every detail, from the stitching and hardware to the overall structure. And any imperfections, no matter how minor, are corrected to ensure the bag meets Yves Saint Laurent's exacting standards. Quality control isn't just about finding flaws, It's about preserving the brand's legacy of luxury. The creation of a single Yves Saint Laurent bag involves dozens of skilled artisans and countless hours of work. From cutting and stitching to finishing and quality control, every step is guided by a commitment to excellence. It's this dedication that transforms a simple design into a timeless piece of art. Once the bag has passed its final inspection, it's packed with care in Yves Saint Laurent's signature packaging and sent to boutiques around the world. Bags are polished and wrapped in branded tissue paper. They're placed in dust bags to protect the leather during storage, and each bag is then boxed in Yves Saint Laurent's sleek black packaging, complete with a care card. From Paris to New York, these bags are symbols of sophistication and craftsmanship, ready to be cherished by their new owners. Yves Saint Laurent produces thousands of handbags annually, with each one taking up to 30 hours to complete. The most popular Yves Saint Laurent bag is the Lulu, known for its quilted leather and chain strap. Yves Saint Laurent is a part of the Kering Group, a luxury conglomerate that also owns Gucci and Balenciaga. Thought you knew everything about Yves Saint Laurent handbags? As promised, here are some fun facts that will keep you intrigued. Fun fact number 1. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent was the first high-fashion designer to launch a ready-to-wear line? In 1966, Yves Saint Laurent introduced the Rive Gauche collection, making luxury fashion more accessible to a wider audience. This revolutionary move democratized high-end fashion, bridging the gap between couture and everyday wear, while maintaining a touch of Parisian elegance. Fun fact number 2. Did you know that many of Yves Saint Laurent's designs were inspired by art? Yves Saint Laurent often drew from artists like Pierre Bergé, creating iconic pieces such as the Mondrian dress. This 1965 design features bold geometric patterns and primary colors, directly influenced by Mondrian's abstract paintings. Art wasn't just an influence, it was integrated into his collections as a celebration of creativity and culture. Fun fact number 3. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent transformed women's fashion with the Le Smoking suit? Introduced in 1966, Le Smoking was the first tuxedo tailored specifically for women. It challenged societal norms by offering women a powerful, stylish alternative to dresses. Its sleek design redefined femininity and became a timeless symbol of empowerment and elegance. Fun fact number 4. Did you know that the iconic Yves Saint Laurent logo was created by a renowned graphic artist? The interlocking YSL monogram was designed in 1961 by Adolphe Morand-Cassandre, a celebrated graphic artist and typeface designer. This bold yet elegant logo has become one of the most recognizable symbols in luxury fashion, embodying sophistication and modernity. Fun fact number 5. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent uses some of the world's most exotic materials in its creations? Yves Saint Laurent bags and accessories often feature luxurious materials like crocodile, python, and ostrich leather. Each material undergoes rigorous selection processes to ensure quality and ethical sourcing. These rare leathers are then crafted with precision to create pieces that exude luxury and exclusivity. And fun fact number 6. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent's first fragrance was launched in 1964? Named simply Y, this perfume was designed to reflect the elegance and allure of the modern woman. It marked the start of Yves Saint Laurent's dominance in the fragrance industry, with future hits like Opium and Libre becoming staples in luxury perfumery. Fun fact number 7. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent bags are crafted entirely by hand? Each Yves Saint Laurent bag is a product of bespoke craftsmanship. Skilled artisans spend 30 to 50 hours on a single bag, cutting leather, stitching seams, and applying hardware by hand. This commitment to craftsmanship ensures that every piece is a flawless work of art. Fun fact number 8. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent was a pioneer in gender-fluid fashion? Decades ahead of his time, Yves Saint Laurent introduced androgynous designs that blurred gender lines. From tailored suits for women to bold unisex styles, his creations redefined traditional ideas of masculinity and femininity, paving the way for modern gender-fluid fashion. Fun fact number 9. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent used fashion to empower women? Many of Yves Saint Laurent's designs, like his structured blazers and bold evening wear, celebrated women's strength and independence. He famously said, "Chanel freed women, I empowered them," reflecting his belief in creating fashion that made women feel confident and powerful. And fun fact number 10. Did you know that Yves Saint Laurent often incorporated elements from global cultures into his designs? Yves Saint Laurent found inspiration in the vibrant colors of Morocco, the ornate patterns of Russian culture, and the rich traditions of China and Japan. These influences resulted in collections that celebrated cultural diversity, such as his iconic African-inspired 1967 collection. From the initial sketch to the final product, every Yves Saint Laurent bag is a testament to the brand's legacy of luxury and craftsmanship. They're more than just accessories, they're investments in style and artistry. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how Yves Saint Laurent bags are made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories from the world of luxury fashion. Thanks for watching.